Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 10th standard maths, state board, chapter 7, exercise 7.2, mensuration, volume. Before we have seen surface area. In this exercise we are going to see volume. So what is volume? Volume is nothing but the amount of space occupied by an object. Amount of space occupied by an object is called volume. Generally the volume is measured in cubic units. Cubic units. You can see the formula for the cylinder, cone and all. Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. Volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h cubic units. Generally volume is measured in cubic units. Volume of the cone. Volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. It is nothing but what? Volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 volume of the cylinder. See, volume of the cylinder formula is pi r square h. So 1 by 3 volume of the cylinder, or volume of the cylinder equal to 3 times volume of the cone. Cubic units. Cubic units. Next, volume of your sphere. Volume of your sphere. Volume of your cylinder, volume of your cone, volume of your sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Next, volume of the hollow sphere. Volume of your hollow sphere. Hollow sphere equal to 4 by 3. Capital R, that is external radius and internal radius are there. So it gives 4 by 3 pi into r cube minus r cube into cubic units. Into cubic units. Cubic units. Volume of solid hemisphere. Volume of a solid hemisphere. Volume of a solid hemisphere equal to, volume of a solid hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Volume of a hollow hemisphere. Volume of a hollow hemisphere. Hemisphere. Volume of a hollow hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube minus, that is external radius minus internal radius. 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube cubic units. Cubic units. Volume of frustum. Volume of your frustum. Volume of your frustum. Volume of your frustum equal to pi h. Pi h by 3, that is 1 by 3 pi h into r square, capital R square, r plus small r square cubic units. Cubic units. Cubic units. Now we are going to see the sum. See the first sum. A 14-meter deep well. You can think of the well. A 14-meter deep well. A 14-meter deep well with inner diameter is 10 meter. Inner diameter is 10 meter. And you have the external also. 14 meter deep well. Inner diameter is 10 meter. is dug and the earth taken out is evenly spread all over the well like this, all over the well like this, all over the well like this, to form an embankment. It is nothing but a bank, that is a spreading out of the soil, spreading out. Embankment of width is 5 meter, width is given as 5 meter. Find the height of the, you should find out the height of the embankment, height of the embankment. Diameter is equal to 10 meter, diameter equal to 10 meter. A 14 meter deep well, a 14 meter deep well with inner diameter equal to 10 meter, radius equal to 5 meter, depth is 14 meter, depth equal to 14 meter, depth equal to 14 meter. Volume of earth taken out, volume of earth taken out, it is nothing but a cylindrical shape. You know very well the well shape. Well is nothing but a shape of a cylinder. Volume of the earth taken out, volume of earth, that is the soil, taken out equal to, what is the volume of the cylinder formula? Pi r square h cubic units, pi r square h cubic units. So it gives 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? Radius is nothing but 22 by 7 into radius is 5. So 5 into what is the depth? Depth is given as height equal to 14. So 7 ones are 7 twos are. So it gives 22 into 22, 5 5s are 25, 25 into 2, 50. So what is the value you are getting? 1100 meter cube, 1100 meter cube volume of the earth taken out, volume of the earth taken out. So inner radius is given as inner radius equal to 5 meter, inner radius equal to 5 meter. Width also given, width equal to, width of the embankment, width of the embankment equal to, width of the embankment equal to, that also it is given as what? 5 meter. Width of the embankment is also what? It is given as 5 meter. You should find out the outer radius, capital R equal to small r plus w, small r plus w, r equal to 5 plus small r plus w, 5 plus 5 equal to 10 meter, 5 plus 5 equal to 10 meter. So now you should find out the height, h equal to height of the embankment. You should find out the height of the embankment. See, volume of a hollow cylinder, volume of a hollow cylinder equal to volume of the cylinder, volume of the cylinder, volume of a hollow cylinder equal to volume of the cylinder. What is the formula for volume of the hollow cylinder? Pi h into r square minus r square equal to, we already got that value, volume of the cylinder is nothing but what? 1100. So pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into h into r square, capital R. R square is 10 square minus 5 square equal to 1100. So 22 by 7 into h into 10 square. 10 square is nothing but what? 100 minus 25. 100 minus 25 equal to 1100. 100 minus 25 equal to 1100. So 22 by 7 into h into 75 equal to 1100. 22 by 7 into h equal to h into 75 equal to 1100. h equal to 1100 into that reciprocal 7 by 22 into 1 by 75. 1100 into 7 by 22 into 1 by 75. 10 times, 100 times, 2 times, 100, 2 ones are 2 50s are, then 10 times, 5 ones are 5, balance 2, 15, 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So 14 by 3, h equal to 14 by 3. So you can divide and get the value 4.6667 meter. 4.6667 meter height of the embankment. Height. You should find out the height of the embankment. Height of the embankment equal to height of the embankment equal to 4.667 meter. See here, a cylindrical glass with diameter 20 centimeter has water to a height of 9 centimeter. Just you can imagine, this is a 20 centimeter diameter and 9 centimeter height. You can imagine. Okay. So a small cylindrical metal of radius 5 centimeter. This is a small cylindrical metal of radius 5 centimeter and height 4 centimeter is immersed. Can put it into the cylinder, put it into the water. It's fully immersed. See here. See that cylindrical metal, the cylindrical metal of radius 5 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. See the level of the water before, then can fully immersed the cylindrical metal. See the rise in the level of the water. You can see the rise in the level of the water. Before level, this is the before level. When I put it into the cylindrical metal, the water level is rising. You should find out the rise of the water in the glass. Diameter of a glass. Diameter of a cylindrical glass. Diameter of a cylindrical glass. Diameter of a cylindrical glass. Cylindrical glass equal to 20 meter. Glass equal to 20 meter. Radius equal to radius of a cylindrical glass. Radius equal to 20 by 2. It gives 10 meter. It gives 10 meter. Height of the glass. Height of the cylindrical glass. Height of a cylindrical glass. Cylindrical glass equal to height of a cylindrical glass equal to 9 meter. Height of a cylindrical glass equal to 9 meter. See, it is in a centimeter. 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter. That water level is height of the cylindrical. That is the water level of the cylinder is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter. Radius of the cylindrical metal. Radius of a cylindrical metal equal to radius of a cylindrical metal equal to 5 centimeter. This cylindrical metal we can immerse into a cylindrical can. It's full of water. So height of the cylindrical metal, height of a cylindrical metal equal to height of a cylindrical metal, height of a cylindrical metal equal to height of a cylindrical metal equal to 4 centimeter. Height of a cylindrical metal equal to 4 centimeter. Now you should find out a volume of your water displaced. What volume of your water displaced is equal to the volume of a metal immersed into a water. Volume of a water displaced is equal to the volume of a cylindrical metal immersed into a water. See here. So volume of water displaced, volume of water displaced, volume of water displaced equal to volume of water displaced equal to volume of cylindrical metal, volume of cylindrical metal, volume of cylindrical metal. What is the formula for volume of a cylinder? Pi r square h into cubic units. So you can take it as pi r1 square h1, pi r square h. Here pi r2 square h2, pi r2 square h2. Pi get cancel, pi get cancel. So r1 water displaced, r1 is 10 square into h1 equal to 10 square into h1 equal to r2 is 5 square, r2 is 5 square. What is the h2 height of the cylindrical metal? Height is 4. So it gives 100 into h1 equal to 25 into 4, h1 equal to 100, 100 h1 equal to 100. So h1 height, volume increased in water level, volume, that is h1 equal to 100 by 100, it gives 1 centimeter, it gives 1 centimeter. Hence increase in water level is, hence increased in water level, increased in water level is, increased in water level is 1 centimeter, increased in water level is 1 centimeter. See the third sum. If the circumference of a conical wooden piece, if a circumference of a conical wooden piece, see the conical part is like this. So circumference of a circle is 484 centimeter. Then find its volume when its height is 105 centimeter. Height is 105 centimeter. Height is 105 centimeter. See the circumference of the circle, circumference of a circle, that is a conical wooden piece. The base area is in the shape of the circle. Circumference of a conical wooden piece, conical wooden piece, conical wooden piece equal to, what is the value they are given? 484 centimeter. 484 centimeter, that is 2 pi r equal to 484 centimeter. So from this you can find out the value of r, 2 into 22 by 7 into r equal to 484. R equal to 484 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 2. 11 twos are here 22. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So What is the radius? Radius equal to 11 into 7, 77. 11 into 7, 77 centimeter. 77 centimeter. See, radius equal to 77 centimeter. Height equal to 105 centimeter. What is the volume of the cone? Volume of the cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. So volume of a cone equal to volume of a cone equal to 1 by 3 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into, r value is 77 into 105. 77 into 105. 7 11s are. See here, 3 1s are, 3 3s are 9, balance 1, 35. 22 into 11, 242. 242 into 77 into 35. You can do the calculation part in the rougher column and check the value also. 2695. When we multiply these two values, volume of your cone equal to 6 lakhs. You can do the calculation part. 52,190. 6 lakhs 52,190 centimeter cube. It's nothing but a volume of a cone. I hope you understood, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.